Hey everyone, Eric from Lock and Charge, and today I would like to show you how easy it is to use our smart lockers. We have a brand new self-service kiosk, and I'd like to show you all the workflows that can be done with our kiosk. For repairs, this is where a student would drop off a broken device, broken screen, broken keyboard, whatever the case may be, hit repairs. So now the student's going to go drop off a device for a repair, enter their ID. This is device ID. Now what is broken? Now the student's going to select whether they have a broken screen, broken keyboard, doesn't charge, or something else. So in this case, we'll say it's a broken screen, and the bay will open up down below. I'm going to drop off my broken device, shut the door, and now the IT director will get a notification that a broken device was dropped off by a student, and they can come and pick it up and then bring the repaired device later on for pickup by that student. All right, thank you for listening to my brief video about how to use the kiosk with our smart lockers. If you need additional information, please visit our website at lockandcharge.com, or you can reach out directly to me. Thank you and have a great day.